In this video I'm going to show you how to install and download the game X-Plane 12. If you buy games at Steam, it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to find this game, download it without overspending and keeping your PC safe. So the first step is to go to Google. And we need to locate the game on Steam before we can proceed to another site. So search for Steam. Once you are there, go to the search bar and search for the game X-Plane 12. As you can see, this game is quite expensive. It is a game with a price of €58.99. So what we will do next is to go to the video description, click on the link over there where it says Find Game. And once you have done that, you will arrive at this page. So now we will search again for the game. And as you can see, we have a option games on the left side. Click on that. Now sort by and then lowest price first. So the next step is to watch this green marked text. If this text is green, then this game can be activated in your country. So click on the game and now you have a game. Instead of paying €58, you are only paying €20. If you buy this game, you will receive a confirmation mail with all the steps to activate this game on Steam. So basically the same game, but much cheaper than on Steam. And that is how you download and install the game X-Plane 12. I hope these tips were helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!